Today we are going to study the essay The Spectacle is Vulnerable, Miss World 1970 by Laura Mulvey. Laura Mulvey is a British feminist film theorist and currently a professor of film and media studies at University of London. Her analysis of technical and psychological organization of the Hollywood films have gained much of respect, and we will study this particular essay written by her. We shall study the essay The Spectacle is Vulnerable, Miss World 1970 by Laura Mulvey, feminist critic, feminist film critic. And then this is an excerpt from Visual and Other Pleasures. The symbolic role of visual in the cultural field is shown here. A feminist criticism is the most practical way of influencing the mechanism of patriarchy. And here, the Miss World competition is not to be considered as an erotic exhibition. It is actually a public celebration of the traditional female road to success. This particular Miss World competition of 1970 was conducted in the Albert Hall in London on 20th November. It was a very respectable atmosphere and a contrived attempt at glamour. The publicity gained by the conventionality of the women who participated in this and their ordinary aspirations as to get married and to have children and all this shows the conditions of women, and the women are judged based on their figures and faces. And the person who conducted this, Bob Hope, the organizer, he said that pretty women don't have problems in life. Now the author presents the women's liberation. Some of them, she and her colleagues who are representing the women's liberation, they demonstrated against this Miss World, which is a blow against the narrow destiny. There is a blow against the passivity which is shown on these women who are just exploited and who are just objectified. Women actually doesn't dare to take any violent action or interrupting a carefully ordered spectacle, drawing attention to oneself and inviting hostility of thousands of people. So that particular thought of women, that women would never do that. These women, what they did, they went there are women liberation members, and they went there just pretending to be just spectators, and what they did, they had pre-planned to do a demonstration. They had pre-planned to jump onto the stage, but they were all seated in different places, but then there were security guards behind them. But when their other friends gave the signal, they suddenly, all of them, they tried to jump onto the stage to get on the stage to show a demonstration, and they were caught by police and they were taken under custody. What is told here is that these women, usually for women, they never tend to break a particularly organized thing. Women don't tend to break, they just adjust to it. But the author and them, they are very happy that at least they managed to break through that thought that women cannot do anything against the organized thing. And then it also shows that they managed to demonstrate that the spectacle vulnerable, and then this demonstration that they did was against the cultural exploitation of women. And when they got onto the stage and when the police arrested them, the Miss World, those who were competing, they had come there asking to leave them, to set them free and all. And what these women told is that and the police told them that these women are against them, the particular contestants. And then the author says that we are not against you, we are for you, we are against the cultural exploitation done on you, like that. So that is how the author presents that how they were able to demonstrate something on such a great platform as Miss World in 1970, and how they broke the particular thought that women would not do anything against something that is organized. So I hope this ideas of this essay is clear to you. Thank you.